This little video will discuss how we want to streak a urine culture in our laboratory. This is a fairly routine clinical laboratory streak technique. It can be modified for either use with a whole agar plate or with what are called biplates, where the plates are commercially prepared in plastic petri dishes with a divider down the center and one type of agar on one half and a different type of agar in the other. In our class, we're going to use whole plates. And the streak technique that we will use with a liquid urine sample. Our urine samples are fake. We're going to make them for you, so they're not real human specimens, but instead bacterial cultures in broth. We're going to use calibrated urine loops that are either 0.1 or 0.001 milliliters in volume. The tiny little circle or space in this loop has a precise amount, and you only want to dip just the loop into the liquid broth culture medium. So don't take the loop and just dip it right into the bottom of the test tube. You just want to resuspend your sample, and then with aseptic technique, removing the cap from the test tube, very gently dip just the loop into the top portion of the liquid broth sample, put the cap back on the tube, put the tube back in a test tube rack, pick up the bottom of the petri dish with your non-dominant hand that you're not holding the loop with, and right down the center of the agar plate you create the primary inoculum. That's where you deposit that little tiny drop of urine right down the center of the agar plate. Then with the same loop, you're going to do a minimum of 12 cross streaks at 90-degree angles to the primary inoculum. And that's all you need to do for a urine streak. There's a video link here that also shows inoculating a biplate. We want nice tight streaks, and that's what I like about this little video. Just pay a little more attention to how he streaks his biplates using that nice tight streak technique. And that's all there is to it, to streaking a urine culture. This hopefully is what we'll see when we look at our cultures tomorrow, our second day of lab for the semester.